People, this is Zyberpunky, and today, two packages are here, and this is the boxing gloves and the sandbag for boxing, and I'm pretty excited right now because this arrived today, and let's see, let's open up first the gloves. Let's see here. Just I hope I don't damage them. There we go. Bonsem. Yeah, Bonsem. Bonsem. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, pretty wrapped up. It's pretty cool. That's good. Alright, let's open up the next one. Back. Okay, this ain't gonna take a long time to get this out. Let's see how I start here. I hope I don't damage anything. Okay. Okay, I'm almost done. Sorry for that skipping. Alright. There you go. It will look a lot bigger. Nice, I love it. Alright. And let's see. Yeah, this could hold a punch, I guess. Alright, that will be it for the unboxing video. I hope you like it, and I hope I do some boxing videos of, of these things. So, I'll try to do them. Alright guys, see you guys later.